headlines. Union Minister Krishan Pal Gurjar reviews development projects in Shillong. Business community urges centre to improve Meghalaya's connectivity. Union Minister Krishan Pal Gurjar pushes for unity amid ILP demand, railway resistance and land hurdles in Meghalaya. BJP joins VPP in criticising government's move to award major infrastructure projects to firms from outside Meghalaya. Abandoned black bag at Polo Bazaar creates panic. Police rule out bomb threat and recover ganja packages. And now for the news in detail. As part of the centre's efforts to accelerate development in the northeast, Union Minister of State for Cooperation Krishan Pal Gurjar visited Shillong on Thursday and reviewed the implementation of various centrally sponsored schemes in the state. A review program was held at Courtyard by Marriott, Shillong. He expressed satisfaction with the outcome of the meeting and the progress of the various development schemes being implemented across the region.
केंद्र का बजट नॉर्थ ईस्ट के विकास के लिए पिछले 11 साल में दिया है। जो सेंट्रल स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम्स हैं, उनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन किस तरह से हो रहा है, उसकी समीक्षा करने के लिए, उसकी जानकारी के लिए, अगर कहीं कोई रुकावट है तो उसको दूर करने के लिए कैसे उसको दूर किया जाए, इसके लिए लगातार मोदी सरकार के मंत्री नॉर्थ ईस्ट की विजिट करते रहते हैं।
Shillong's business community has urged the central government to significantly improve Meghalaya's connectivity and infrastructure to boost economic growth in the landlocked state. Their demands were voiced during an interaction with Union Minister of State for Cooperation Krishan Pal Gurjar in Shillong on Thursday. He urged the gathering that he would forward their concerns to the relevant ministries and the Prime Minister.
जो ईस्ट जैंके हिल से जो लास्ट बॉर्डर है ईस्ट साइड मेघालय का, राटाचेरा बॉर्डर असम को टच करता है। अगर आप यहाँ से ये 3 स्टेट्स को कनेक्ट करता है, ये मिजोरम को, त्रिपुरा को और मणिपुर को।
Without any major agitation, it was created out of goodwill of the rest of the country. The parliament rose as one without looking at the political differences. Rose as one when Meghalaya bill was passed.
मैं देश के प्रधानमंत्री और देश के यशस्वी गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी तक जरूर पहुंचूंगा। तब से देश में भी और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में उसी का हिस्सा मेघालय में आपको अंतर तो स्पष्ट दिखाई देगा। इन 10 सालों में देश ने जिस गति से तरक्की की है, पूरी दुनिया उसकी तारीफ कर रही है।
Union Minister of State for Cooperation Krishan Pal Gurjar stressed the need for collaborative governance while responding to growing apprehensions over the centre proposed move to introduce railway connectivity in the Khasi Jaintia region. The minister stressed that democracy thrives only when all stakeholders are taken along. He was reacting to queries on demand for inline permit land acquisition challenges, among others.
केंद्र सरकार की जितनी योजनाएं हैं उनको हर राज्य को इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो लोगों के लिए है। उन योजनाओं का उस राज्य के लोगों को लाभ होने वाला है और मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेघालय में उनको लागू करने में कोई परेशानी होगी। निश्चित तौर पर कहीं कोई समस्या है तो उसका समाधान कर लिया जाएगा। कि देश तभी आगे बढ़ेगा जब हर राज्य तरक्की करेगा, हर राज्य आगे बढ़ेगा।
Bharatiya Janata Party has joined the Voice of the People Party in criticizing the Meghalaya government for reportedly awarding major infrastructure projects to outside contractors, sidelining capable local firms. BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang expressed concern over the loss of local employment and the outflow of state funds, arguing that many projects could be executed by local professionals. Major projects like the new Assembly Building, Medical College and new Secretariat have been cited as examples of contracts awarded to outsiders.
Even private security, a lot of our local firms are upcoming and they are bidding the tender and all. But many a times we find that all these private security work now have been handed over to people for agencies from outside. And these agencies from outside, what they do is they hire people from outside only. They don't give local employment. So similarly also I feel like if any contract, of course maybe there are some contracts where we don't have the expertise, then it is right for the government to hand over to others. But if our people have the right expertise, so I don't see why they should be handed over.
East Khasi Hills police today recovered packages of suspected ganja inside a black bag that was abandoned at Polo Bazaar. Panic gripped the area after people initially feared it was a potential bomb threat, but the same was ruled out by the bomb disposal team. One person identified as Niji Mu Hithu from Nagaland appeared at the location to claim the ownership of the said bag. With the recovery of the ganja packages, the anti-narcotics task force was informed for further necessary action as per law. Two young village-level entrepreneurs, or VLE, from the state, Rose Angeline Kharsanthew from Mairang in eastern West Khasi Hills and Sengbath D. Sangma from Samanda in East Garo Hills, were awarded at Common Service Centre's CSC Diwas celebration at New Delhi on July 16th. The awards were conferred during the CSC Diwas 2025, celebrating 16 years of CSC that empowers India at the last mile. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma took to his X handle to congratulate the two young entrepreneurs. The Umroi Pillun Health and Wellness Centre in Ripoy district today flagged off a newly provided ambulance under the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. This marks a historic milestone as the centre becomes the first sub-centre in the entire district to receive such a facility. The ambulance was officially flagged off by Umroi MLA Damanbad Lamari. This initiative will significantly improve access to immediate medical care in the region. The District Administration of Ripoy District today convened the District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee, or DISHA, meeting under the chairmanship of Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon, Member of the Parliament from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. The meeting was held at the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner's office in Nongpo. The primary objective of the meeting was to ensure effective implementation of centrally sponsored schemes, transparency in execution, and alignment with the actual needs of the people. As part of the commemoration of the 190th death anniversary of U Tirot Singh's aim, the Khasi Students' Union Ripoy unit yesterday organized a special program at Maj Shaprang LP School in Jatalong village under Mauhati constituency in Ripoy district. Marking the occasion, the KSU extended its support to the school and the community by donating computer sets and distributing blankets to parents of students enrolled in the school. The Heno Trap Youth Council
Nadu kisnem ki pushpo khasan snem ye ngila juye tre rengkat ban sothu ya ka jinge jongpi kum ki paiba no shnong bat ka jing ai mensim ka jing bu jing dwai jongpi ka sinjuk bat ki no shnong jong thain right nong tung namta ki yangi ki noilam jong KSU.
The Heno Trap Youth Council yesterday unveiled the life-sized statue of freedom fighter U Tirot Singh's aim at Lad Artet in eastern West Khasi Hills district, marking the 190th death anniversary of the legendary chief of Hema Nongklao. The statue was unveiled by the Deputy CM of Hema Nongklao, Dr. K.M. Siemle. On this day, a felicitation ceremony was also held to honor the outstanding youth who have excelled in their recent examination. Leading to Nongum River Island, a prominent tourist attraction in West Khasi Hills district, has fallen into severe disrepair, significantly impacting both local residents and the growing number of tourists. The deteriorated stretch of road begins from Lause village and continues all the way to the river island, with tourists increasingly flocking to Nongum to experience its unique beach and beautiful waterfalls. The poor road conditions are not only a major inconvenience for visitors, but also poses a threat to the region's tourism potential.
Ngakarpat khantam ya kabos sarkar ba lakumno kade ban phai khmat sa kane ka surok yong kane ka sinong jengi namar ba kade kowe ka surok ka ba don ya kajika ngok kai perthai ka del nong knum.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 72% and rainfall 2.0 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 94% and rainfall 4.1 millimeters. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 96% and rainfall is 2.8 millimeters. And forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai indicates that moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. Union Minister Krishan Pal Gurjar reviews development projects in Shillong. Business community urges centre to improve Meghalaya's connectivity. Union Minister Krishan Pal Gurjar pushes for unity amid ILP demand, railway resistance and land hurdles in Meghalaya. BJP joins VPP in criticizing government's move to award major infrastructure projects to firms from outside Meghalaya. And abandoned black bag at Polo Bazaar creates panic. Police rule out bomb threat and recover ganja packages. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.
আপোন হৈ যায় ঠিক নাই এতিয়াৰ পৰা আমি কৈছোঁ যে তেল আহৰণৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে ভূমি অধিগ্ৰহণ কৰিব নালাগে অৰ্থাৎ